Hello and welcome to your evening forecast brought to you by the Met Office. And the rain will eventually clear as we go through the night tonight. Still got some heavy rain to come through the evening though. Behind it, skies beginning to clear, starry skies across some northern areas, and that'll allow some frost and fog to become quite dense, I think, as we start Sunday morning. But through this evening, we've still got some heavy rain through the Midlands, southern counties of England, hill snow for Wales and some showers for southwest England, eventually easing and petering out as the evening goes on. Elsewhere, under clear and starry skies, we will see that frost forming, some dense patches of fog, especially for Northern Ireland, perhaps across some northern counties of England as well. One or two showers coming in off the North Sea. These are the temperatures as we start the day on Sunday. Not as cold across the south, given the cloud. Colder though across Scotland. We could get down to -7 or -8 in the Glens, so a bitterly cold start to Remembrance Sunday. But if you're heading to any services, it will be a pretty fine day. We lose the cloud and the last bits of rain from the southwest through the morning and into the afternoon. It's a brightening up picture for much of the country. That fog clears Northern Ireland. We see long spells of sunshine, just a few showers affecting those North Sea coasts, but it's cold wherever you are. Temperatures 4 to 7 degrees for most, maybe 9 or 10 across the more southern counties. And the cloud begins to thicken through the afternoon, turning that sunshine a bit hazy across Northern Ireland. And that's all ahead of this next approaching weather front, which will push its way in. And that'll come in quite quickly through Sunday evening for Northern Ireland, marching its way into Wales, parts of Scotland, and eventually across into southern and southeast England as the night goes on. You'll notice some fairly persistent snow across the higher ground in Scotland. That could give a covering in places. Elsewhere it's falling as rain, but it will be a fairly gloomy old night to come. Quite brisk winds as well. And those temperatures, well, not as cold as recent nights, but still on the chilly side. 5 or 6, I think, as we start the day on Monday. It will be brighter by the end of the night, or should I say clearer by the end of the night, giving some sunshine first thing on Monday morning. But that rain will take its while to clear its way eastwards as we go through Monday, hanging on across the southeast well on into lunchtime. So I think for here it will be a fairly grey picture. But elsewhere, brightening up, fairly frequent showers pushing through, a mixture of hail, some thunder, gusty winds as well. The wind's a real feature of the weather on Monday. So despite temperatures being similar to the last few days, it will feel much colder than these numbers suggest, given the strength of that wind. And here's the jet stream over the next few days. You can see this really strong core of fast-flowing air to the southwest of the UK. That's going to continue to drive in these areas of low pressure, spinning their way in. So further unsettled weather to come as we head through the week. And because the jet stays to the south of us, we're on the cold side of it. So that cold theme continues. Frost and fog possible overnight, cold and showery through the day. You really will need to wrap up warm, and it's set to stay fairly similar as we go through much of the week ahead. Of course, we'll continue to update you on the weather where you live and also for the weather for the coming week. More information always available, though, on our social media channels. I'll see you later. Ta-da.